Guys, veloster, I want to come back at you. So I just installed the strut bar. I still gotta tighten one bolt, and then after that we're gonna go test drive it. So hopefully everything goes well. But here's what it's looking like. That right there. I wonder if I can still be able to use my strut bar whenever I buy the supercharger kit, because when my car is paid off, I plan on getting a supercharger kit. So the supercharger kit usually sits like within this area. So not sure what I'm gonna do. But as you can tell, my engine's very dirty. I haven't cleaned it at all. I should probably clean it, but I mean, to be honest, I've just been pretty lazy. You could tell that squirrels have been coming into my car and shit, so I gotta fucking get like some peppermint oil or some shit. So but other than that, everything worked good. So but yeah, what's up, guys? So now is the test drive part. But I forgot to mention that I also have a Pierce Motorsports 4-point front tie bar brace that's installed. Like I said, this like how I said it before with the end links. Like I just wanted to get it installed and you know, basically test drive it, see how it works, get everything good. So I apologize that I didn't make videos for either of them. Maybe whenever it's more like nice looking outside, with the car, like, you know, like on the ground and stuff like that, I'll do a walk around. Like I'll show you the end links, like how it looks like with the wheels on, installed, you know, etc. Then try to show you the 4-point front tie bar brace. Yeah. Alright, just letting it warm up right now, you know. It's at like the old temps are like 98, you know what I'm saying? But I guess further updates, whatchamacallit, let's see, I already ordered the old catch can, so I'm probably going to replace my OEM coil packs, just to replace them. Let's see, my spark plugs are still good because I have NGK super laser iridium spark plugs. But yeah, I'm looking into getting like some badass headlights. It's probably gonna run me about like 1220. But yeah, it's like color changing and stuff like that. For all you veloster owners that are also interested in the color changing, like headlight and stuff like that, like the customization and stuff like that, then check out fittedlabs.com, because that's where I found out about the veloster color changing headlights. Like you can do, like, if you do the halogen, you could do like projectors, you know, so that's pretty cool. They also have like an HID set that you could do, but you know, I think I'm good. I think I'll just stick with the halogens, you know, because the halogen, like, for it says like 600, and then the HIDs is like 850 or something like that, you know. So you're gonna be paying more than, you know, the price that I said. Like, I know, I'm good. I'll stick to 1220. I'll be simple, you know, just have like the color changing stuff, you know. But definitely looking into getting a spoiler, carbon fiber duckbill spoiler. Veloster turbo side skirts for sure. carbon fiber front lip. I think that's about it for like the exterior. For like the interior, I may look into getting like a short throw shifter, you know, some stuff like that. Right now it's at like 127 oil temp, so it's not like too cold, so we'll probably get going. Hopefully I drive fine because I have my fucking house shoes on. FH mode, that's for passenger driving, but you know, it's been like raining and shit, so. Oh, I heard that. I wonder what that was. Definitely comment below for all my vapors out there. Get one. If you got a veloster, get a front strut bar. Oh, she whistling. She whistling. It's not raining right now, or at least, like, it's sprinkling right now, you know what I'm saying, but it's not like rain. Oh, this feels great. Just saying.
video, and if you did, comment what you think. Definitely subscribe for future content. Sorry, I can't speak right now.